To add a hyperlink in Excel, simply go to the cell that you want to add the hyperlink into, right-click, and choose Link. The Insert Hyperlink dialog box should pop up. Here, there are a couple major options for hyperlinking, but the ones that I use the most are existing file or web page and a place in this document. If you want to link to a specific file, go ahead and choose it in the File Explorer here. However, if you want to link a web page, instead of clicking on the file you want, you can just put the address directly in the address bar, like www.google.com. Hit enter, and now your hyperlink should work as expected. The last one that I want to cover is hyperlinking to somewhere in the document. Specifically, let's create a hyperlink to our conditional formatting tab. First, go into the cell that you want to put the link into. This time, I'm going to use the shortcut to insert a hyperlink, which is Control K. This time, I'm going to choose a place in this document. Here, Excel shows me all of the tabs inside of my Excel spreadsheet. Since we're trying to link to the conditional formatting tab, I'm going to click on that. Then I can choose the cell reference that I want to link to up here. I'm good with just linking to cell A1, so I hit OK. Now, if I try to follow this hyperlink, it'll just bring me right to the tab.